Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to set up direct deposit on Stash app. Setting up direct deposit on Stash app is a straightforward process that allows you to receive your paycheck directly into your Stash bank account, often up to 2 days earlier than traditional bank. And here is how to set it up. So the first thing to do is to access your account information. So to do this, log into your Stash app and tap on the bank tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select direct deposits to view your Stash bank account and routine number. Then on step 2, you have to provide information to your employers. So share your Stash account and routine number with your employer's payroll department. They might require you to fill out a direct deposit from a form or to enter the information info and employees portal. Then the step 3, you have to wait for processing. So after setting up, it may take up to 1 to 2 pay period for direct deposits to begin. So in some cases, it can take up to 60 days depending on your employer's payroll schedule. And the benefit of using the direct deposit with Stash is it comes with an early paycheck access. So with Stash, early deposit features can receive your paycheck up to 2 to 3 days early. And also, you can also use the stock back reward, which earn up to a stock back reward on every purchase made with your Stash debit card. Stash Grow customer earn up to 0.12% back, while Stash customers earn 1% back with higher rewards and select service. And also, no event fee. Stash banking accounts have no overdraft or hidden fee, which provide a transparent banking evidence. And that's it.